Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play the House of the Rising Sun fingerstyle. By fingerstyle I mean you're going to use your fingers to pluck different strings. So first of all the fingers go P, I, M, A. That's the letters we give to each of these fingers. So P, the thumb plays the bottom, the bass note, and the other ones then play the treble strings. So for the House of the Rising Sun, the way it's going to go is we're going to play P first on the bass note of the chord. Then we're going to play I is going to play the third string. M, the middle finger, is going to play the second string. And A, the ring finger, is going to play the first string. And then we're going to do that on the way back. We're going to go M on the second string. And then I on the third string. So in other words, P, I, M, A, M, I. And again. That's going to be the sequence played throughout. Okay, so let's go through it. First of all, we've got chord A minor. For chord A minor, play P, the thumb I should say, the root on the fifth string, and then after playing that you're playing I on the third string, M on the second string, A on the first string, M back on the second string, and I on the third string. In other words, after playing that you play chord C. Again, play the fifth string for the thumb. So it becomes, and as before, you're playing I on the third, M on the second, A on the first, and then backwards. The next chord is chord D, and this time play the thumb plays the fourth string. So it becomes. Next, play chord F. This one's a bit tricky, so you may need to get used to getting a clean sound out of this chord. Again, you're going to play the thumb on the fourth string. Then you go back to A minor. After that, go to chord C again. Then go to chord E. Now for chord E, play the thumb plays the sixth string open. And the remaining fingers on the third, second and first. Okay, after doing chord E, play the same chord E, but this time play the thumb on the fifth string. That's a chord called E/B. In other words, an E chord with a B on the bass. So it should sound like this. After that, go back to chord A minor, then chord C, then chord D, F, back to A minor, then E, then back to A minor, then chord E, and to finish off, play chord A minor, but this time just use your thumb and your index finger to play the fifth and the third strings like this. Now, if you want a full detailed lesson for this song, please check out the link below. Thank you very much for watching.